It's okay. Adi.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Are you ready with the workbook and pencil?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Friends are joining only. Just we can wait for a few seconds.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Malavika.
Ma'am, book.
Yeah, yes, workbook.
Take the pencil. Which page is that?
Page number 16.
15.
One workbook part 1, page number 16. The same page you can see on the screen also. So today we are going to do the workbook part 1, page number 16. Did you see the same page on the screen?
Yes.
Okay, good. So shall we start? Are you ready with the same page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will start with the multiple choice questions. Okay. Multiple choice questions. And you can see some children are running in a line as shown. You can see some girls and boys are running in a line. Let us see who all are there. Okay. And the name also given here. And the first one is a girl and her name is Jya, Jaya.
Yeah.
And second one Syam, Sham.
Sharp.
Next one Neel, Neel. Rashi, Rashi.
Dash.
Roza, Rosa.
Usa.
Then it's a boy having a cap on his head. YASH, yes. And Ajay, AJAY, Ajay. Next one is a girl, VIJAY, Vijaya. Then NASIM, Nasim. And the last one is again a girl, ASMITA, Asmita. So this many children are running in a line. Okay. And the coming 3 questions are related to this picture. Okay. And we have first question. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. And the first question number 1. WHO. How we will pronounce?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
ISE.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, those who joined late, please take page number 16, workbook part 1. Okay? Workbook part
Good
1.
afternoon, ma'am.
Who is running after Rashi? Who is running after Rashi?
Afternoon, ma'am.
After the line. So, who is running after Rashi? Look at the line. Jaya, Sham, Rashi, Rosa. So, after Rashi, who is the person? After Rashi, we can see. So, here also there are 4 options. A, Neil, B, Ajay, C, Rosa, D, Vijaya. So, which is the correct answer? So which option? Option C. So put tick mark for Rosa. Evelyn, you had your lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So those who join late, please take workbook part 1, page number 16. And question number 1, the correct answer is Rosa. The option is C. So write capital letter C inside the brackets. And next we have 2. Question number 2. So those who join late, I will say what is the question once more. Okay. Some children are running and they are in one line and their names are given. Okay. And the questions are based on this picture. Jaya, Shyam, Neel, Rashi, Rosa, Yash, Ajay, Vijaya, Naseem, Asmita. And who is running after Rashi? So after Rashi means behind Rashi. So behind Rashi we can see Rosa. So first answer is option C, Rosa. So please write the capital letter C inside the bracket. Now we will move to the question number 2. Okay. And question number 2. WHO. Who? IS is RUNNING. Running. BEFORE. What is the word? BEFORE. Before. SHYAM. Sham. So before is in front of. So who is running in front of Sham? So look at the picture once more. So we can see Jaya, Sham, Neel. So who is running before Sham? Jaya. So we have A, Jaya, B, Yash, C, Naseem, D, Asmita. So which is the correct option? Option A. Option A, Jaya. So we can write the capital letter A inside the back bracket and we can put tick mark for Jaya. So next, number 3. Same type of question. Okay. WHO. Who? IS is RUNNING. Running. Between. BETWEEN. Between means at the middle. Okay. Between Naseem and Ajay. Who is running between Naseem and Ajay? We can see here Naseem and Ajay. Okay. So who is running between Naseem and Ajay? We can see who is running between Ajay and Naseem? Vijaya. So we have options A, Vijaya, B, Asmita, C, Yash, and D, Ajay. So the correct option is option A. So we can write the capital letter A inside the bracket and we can put a tick mark for Vijaya. Okay. So next, again we have multiple choice questions that we will that I will give to the students. They will read. So the question number 4, Malavika, unmute and read the question. Number 4. Question number 4.
That comes before 76 is
Dash. The number that comes before in front of 76 is dash. A 80, B 75, C 77, D 70. Okay. If you have any doubt, just write the number 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. So it is before 76. So before
77.
now
77.
very good. So which is the correct option? Option
77.
and the correct answer is 75. Very good, Malavika. So the answer is option B, 75. So next we have Austin. Austin, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Austin, please unmute. And read question number 5. Question number 5. Start, Austin. T-H-E. The G-R-E-A-T-E-S-T. Very good. Greatest. A-M-O-N-G. Among. Read. The greatest among. The greatest among. T-H-E. The G-N. Given. Which is the next word? Okay, numbers. Okay. So the greatest among the given numbers is dash. We have 4 numbers. Which are the numbers? A 10. Option A 10. Option B 12. Option C 17. Option D 15. So in these 4 numbers, we have to find out the greatest number. Which is the greatest number, Austin? Which is the greatest number? Look at all the numbers. 17. So we can put a tick mark for 17 and we can put a C inside. We can write C inside the bracket. Okay, Austin. Very good. So the greatest among the given numbers is answer is 17 and write the letter C inside the bracket. And next for Henry. Henry Baiju, please unmute. Okay, and read question number 6. Question number 6.
The number that
L-I-S, lies.
B-E-T-W-E-E-N between 81 and 83 is.
The number that lies between 81 and 83 is dash. Okay. So between 81 and 83, we have the options A, 85, B, 84, C, 80, D, 82. Which is between 81 and 83?
84.
Between 81 and 83, at the middle. At the middle of 81 and 83. 82. See, between 81 and 83, middle one is 82. Okay, so we can put a tick mark for 82 and the correct option is, which is the correct option? D. D. Very good, Henry. Good. So the number that lies between 81 and 83 is 82. The correct option is D.
Okay, ma'am.
Now those who completed can move to the next page. Okay. Page number 17. Page number 17. 17. And Dhruva, please unmute. Dhruva, please unmute and read the question 7. Fill in the blanks. Question number 7.
4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Which number is missing there? 4, 5. 6. Good girl. The answer is 6.
I'm right.
Yes, you can write. Okay, Dhruva, very good. So the missing number is 6. Next, we have question number 8.
23.
Are you ready for question number 8?
23.
Okay, Rehan, please unmute. Rehan, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read question number 8. Read question number 8.
12.
Eh? Is it a 12? Is it a 12?
21.
21.
21.
Ah.
22.
Ah.
23.
21, 22, dash, 24, 25. Which number is missing here?
23.
23. Very good. So the answer is 23. Next, we have question number 9 and it's for Sarah. Sarah, please unmute and read the question. Question number 9. Sarah, unmute and read the question. Okay, you can start now.
35, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40.
Here, which number is missing?
37.
37, 35, 36, 37. All of you please write the number 37. Very good. Next we have question number 10. Anna Catherine, please unmute and read the question number 10. Question number 10. H-O-W. How?
How
Do we
I
write? Then that 6, then the symbol, then 3 in words. This we have to write. This is the thing. This we have to write in words. How we will read this, Anna? 6 is it less than or greater than? Which symbol?
greater than?
Very good. So 6 is greater than. G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Greater than.
Am I right?
Yes, you can write. 6 is greater than 3. 6 is greater than 3. Rihan, are you writing? 6 is greater than 3. 6 is greater than 3.
6 greater
Is greater than 3. Very good, Anna. 6 is greater than 3. 6 is greater than 3. And next question for Siddharth. Siddharth, please read the question. Question number 11. Question number 11. W-H-I-C-H. Which?
Number
Very good. Comes. Just. A-F-T-E-R. After. 6, 7. 67. So which number comes just after 67? So just we can write the numbers. 65, 66, 7, 68. So after 67 means behind 67. Which is behind 67? Which number?
8.
Very good. So the answer is 68. Okay, so is it that? Very good. So the answer is 68. So all of you please write the answer. And next we have question number 12. And Sandria, please unmute. Sandria, please unmute and read the question. Question number 12. Question number 12. Okay, read. W-H-I-C-H. Which? Sandria, unmute. Sandria, please unmute the device. Okay, now it's only once. Okay, now it's okay. Which number?
Which number?
C-O-M-E-S comes.
C-O-M-E-S come.
J-U-S-T just.
J-U-S-T just.
Before.
Before.
90. Which number comes just before 90? So just we can write the numbers. See, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So before means in front of. So in front of 90, which number?
89.
89. So we can write the answer 89. So the number comes before 90 is 89. Okay, good, good. And next we have question number 30. And it's for Anaya. Anaya, please unmute. Question number 13. Question number 13. Question number 13. Read. COMPARE. Compare.
The given
GIVEN. Given. PAIRS. Pairs.
pairs
OF. Off.
of numbers and write in the
WORDS. Words. Compare the given pair of numbers and write in words. See, pair means two. See, you can see two numbers here. Okay.
Yes.
And two numbers are there that we have to compare with the symbols. We studied greater than symbol, less than symbol, and equal to symbol. No, greater than, less than, and equal to. So we have to compare with these symbols. So first one we have 15-9. Which symbol we will write here? 15-9.
Greater than.
Very good. So we can put a 15 greater than symbol 9. How we will write this or how we will read this? 15 is greater than. Very good. 15 is greater than 9. And what about to B? What about to B? 4-28.
4 is
Less than. Very good. Okay, so we can write B. 4 is less. Less than 28. 4 is less than 28. Okay, good. Okay, Naya, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Than 28. So all of it is right. 4 is less than 28. Put the symbol correctly, then read it properly. Okay, then you can write easily. So which is a bigger number? That side the mouth of the fish will be open. That you have to remember. Then you have to put the symbol. Mouth of the fish always open towards bigger number. And next we have 14. So all of you completed the question answer of question.
No.
Okay, right. All of you please write. Sorry.
When finish the 16. And I'm gonna
15
finish.
is greater than 9. 4 is less than 28. 15 is greater than 9. Second one, 4 is less than 28.
Mama, we got completed.
Very good. And next for Prarthana. Please, Prarthana, unmute.
Yes,
And read the question number 14. Question number 14.
CH. Which numbers me come JUST just before and after
Which numbers come just before and after the following numbers? Okay. Which numbers come just before and after the following numbers. And we have the first one A. And A we have dash 20 dash. So before 20 what's the number? After 20 what's the number?
90.
Prarthana, before 20 which is the number?
19.
Okay, good. Before 20 we have 19. What about after 20?
21.
21. Okay, good girl. So 19, 20, 21. Then what about to B, Prarthana? We have 59. So before 59,
58.
58. After 59 we have
60.
6060. Very good, Prarthana. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So we have 19, 20, 21, 58, 59, 60.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, tell me louder.
Ma'am said there no finish one. Page 16.
Which one? No? Which one?
60. Page
16. See, who didn't complete 16? Page number 16.
Siddharth. I am.
So Siddharth joined late only.
Yes.
So you don't worry, my dear. I will put this page in the group. Okay. I will put these two pages in the group. So that time you can do it. Okay. You don't worry. And next we have question number 15. Okay. And it's for Agnes. Agnes, please unmute. Please switch on the video and unmute. And read the question number 15.
Circle the smallest.
Question number 15.
Circle the smallest.
Circle the
36.
SMALLEST, smallest. Circle the smallest number. Circle the smallest number. We have 4 numbers. In these 4 numbers, we have to find out the smallest one and we have to circle it. And the numbers are 27, 19, 91, 36. Which is the smallest one?
19.
It is 19. So we can circle 19. Siddharth, now you do the page number 17. Okay? 16 and 17, I will put it in the group. You can do it later. Circle the smallest number 27, 19, 91, 36. The smallest number is 19. Smallest number is 19. And those who have completed can move to the next page, page number 18. Page number 18. Page number 18. Adel Maria, please unmute. Adel Maria, please unmute and read question number 16.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please read it.
ARRANGE.
Arrange. ARRANGE. Arrange.
Arrange the numbers 21, 20, and 23 in
ASCENDING. Ascending.
ascending and
DESCENDING. Descending.
descending order.
So these 3 numbers, which are the numbers? 21, 20, 23. These numbers we have to write in ascending order and descending order. Okay. So what about the ascending order? What is the meaning of ascending order? Writing the numbers from smallest to the biggest. So Ascending order. We can start with the ascending order. So tell me the answer in ascending order.
Right. 20.
Very good. 20, 21, 20, 21, 23. 20, 21, 23. All of you please write. 20, 21, 23. So the smallest one is 20. And next one 21. Then 23.
B, E, R. Then 20.
Sorry. ASCENDING, ascending. Ascending, it is already written in the question. ASCENDING, ascending. ORDER, order, ascending order. 20, 21, 23. Starting from the smallest to the biggest. What about the descending order, Idle? What about the descending order? What's the meaning of descending order? Writing the numbers from biggest to the smallest. Okay, so now which is the biggest one in this? Which is the biggest number in 20, 21 and 23?
23.
Ah, very good. 23, just opposite of the ascending order. 23 we will write first, then 21, then 20. Okay, 23, 21, 20. Okay, good. Adel Maria, very good. So ascending order, we have 20, 21, 23. Descending order, 23, 21, 20. Opposite of ascending order is
20.
And next we have 17, question number 17. And it's for Manav. Manav, please read question number 17. FORM, form, the largest or greatest. Okay, largest. 2-digit numbers with and without REPEATING, repeating repeating the digits 1 and 6. Okay, ask about the smallest number. We have to find out the greatest number or largest number. Okay, so first we will write without repeating. Okay, then we will write with repeating. Okay, so what about without repeating? So we have the digits 1, 6. So without repeat, without repeating, when we draw the tens and ones column, how to find out the biggest number or largest number? Put the bigger digit in tens place and smaller digit in ones place. So we have the number 61. Now with the repeating, we are repeating the digits. So again we can draw the table, put the tens and ones. So here we have to put the bigger digit in both the places. So here which is the bigger digit? 6. So 6 we can put in both the places. So what is the number? 66. Okay. So now we can write in the workbook. Okay. So LARGEST, largest, the same word, largest. 2-digit, largest 2-digit number. Largest 2-digit number. Largest 2-digit number. WITH. Without repeating.
Two digit.
The largest two-digit number without repeating the digits. Without repeating the digits.
Number.
Without repeating the digits, we have 6 in tens column and 1 in ones column. The number is 61.
61.
Okay, good. Then next one.
T
L-A-R-G, largest two-digit number with repeating the digits.
And this right?
Yes.
61.
Yes, you can write. Largest two-digit number without repeating the digits. 6 tens and 1 1, 61. Largest two-digit number with repeating the digits. 6 tens and 1, 66. You don't worry, the same thing I will put it in the WhatsApp. Okay, you can write from there. So we have 2 more minutes. You can complete.
Afia completed, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Sorry. Okay, very good. The question number 18 onwards, we will do it in the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Tomorrow we will complete the workbook and Monday we can start the revision.
Was not completed.
Okay, you can write.
Complete.
You can write 1 more minute. I will be here. After that only I will stop sharing. Okay. And those who didn't complete, they can write from the WhatsApp group. The same I will forward into the group.
Ma'am, Sarah finished.
Okay, Sarah. Very good. So the next 18 onwards, we will do it in the next class. Okay. So let me stop sharing now. So I'm going to stop sharing. It's time to complete the session today. The same thing, just now I put it in the WhatsApp. Okay. So thank you for joining. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye. Bye.